I had a dream, a war of robots where every moment was a battle with death, and then suddenly I woke up.
When I saw those flying missiles in my dreams and thought of building a tank, the one I've created is exactly like that. It effortlessly detects enemy missiles and has the capability to take them down. Dreams, dreams, dreams. Sometimes dreams are so scary that it feels like everything is happening for real. Now I feel like I need to create something real to escape from my dreams. So I've picked up my scissors and some cardboard, and I'm going to make something unique. Why not give these dreams a taste of their own medicine? So I got to work, trying to bring my dreams down to size. Because here, we don't turn dreams into reality. But if a dream does become reality, well, we give it a run for its money. The grand preparation for battle was underway, and I was attaching the motors directly to the cardboard. There was no room for error, because if the dream came true, death was certain. That's why I was carefully connecting the wheels, motors, and wires. Attaching them one by one, I was moving forward towards the future, ready to shatter the enemy's missiles. The structure must not be weak, so I was reinforcing the framework even more sturdily. Even a tiny mobile could destroy my tank, so I had to detect and eliminate them in advance. For that, I needed a strong mold. And for that, I was continuously moving forward and creating it. I started building this tank. As I was putting together this tank piece by piece, many mistakes were becoming visible. And there were some hidden errors too, like whether its precision would be accurate or not. making an anti-missile radar tank. I thought, why not add a stepper motor on it? With an ultrasonic sensor, it could improve precision, tracking enemy missiles with ease and taking them down before they get close. That's why I used Arduino, employed stepper motors, and incorporated an ultrasonic sensor, which is the most powerful sensor to use it like a radar. Because the situation was dire, enemies were visible all around. Wow, that dream was terrifying, truly terrifying. But I created something terrifying in response, too. So, let's fire it up and see how it works. Because now that I have this tank, enemies will fear me. And even a nightmare will think twice before entering my mind, asking for permission to appear or not. So, if you also have scary dreams and want them to stay away, and if you want a tank like this to blow your enemies to bits, watch this video till the end and build your own anti-missile tank. So I was instructing my tank to detect and destroy them at once. And my tank, doing just that, with red, green, blue, and yellow lights flashing, was ready to detect and eliminate. I had risen above my dream. Red color meant danger. As soon as my hand came in front of the tank's radar, the red LED would light up. This gave me the impression that as soon as a missile approached, this tank would stop on its own and destroy that missile. Let's sing together. Kill, win, kill. Show the world that you are very powerful. See you with my next project.